Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with Roblox bad request error code 400 on your Windows computer. There is a problem with the request guys. Let's fix that issue. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side you need to go to network and internet setting. On right side you need to go to advanced network setting. And here you need to scroll down guys. Here is option network reset. Click on it. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original setting. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Just need to click on reset now and click yes guys. And Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You just need to restart it guys, that will be fine. Go ahead and restart it. If the Roblox servers may be having difficulty at the moment, which is certainly possible, you just may want to check back a little bit later guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.